Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for sticking around. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 warm nude eyeshadow palettes which are easily available in India and you can get it from Nykaa.com. So without rambling too much, let's get into it. Why warm nudes? Firstly, they are easy to use, easy to understand, and if you are starting with your eyeshadow journey or if you want to create some simple easy eye looks, then warm nude eyeshadow palettes are to go for. If you're a person who's not into too many colors, too many brights or too many shimmery shadows, then I would say warm nude eyeshadow palettes are the palettes to go for, because even their shimmers are done like that, or I would say they have a little warmer undertone going on, so you have a nice eye look going on without too much happening. So yes, today you will be discovering 5 warm nude palettes. First one I have is by the Nykaa Just Wink It Double Chocolate Chip palette. Now they have a peach one also, which is again fall into a more of a nude family, but if you want to have that perfect warm nude eyeshadow palette, then this is the one to go for. This is like a perfect warm nude palette by Nykaa Just Wink It. Oh my god, you look at the shades and you just feel like putting some eyeshadow on your eyes. I absolutely love all the shades and I've used all the shades from this palette. The black one is also really well done and pigmented. Talking about the mattes in this palette, again very smooth, very easy to blend. You don't have to do too much of blending if you're not into blending. And the shimmers, all the shimmers you see here, every shimmer has a undertone going on. Now undertone is very important when I talk about warmer palettes, because I do feel sometimes you get a warm nude palette but then you get a very shocking silver or a very shocking gold, which again doesn't complement the palette. So if you have a warmer tone to the shimmers as well, then the palette is complete, and this palette is complete. Again, well done by Nykaa. This palette is going to cost you, though I feel, $14.50 or $14.99, but I got this palette, remember, I got this palette for 845 rupees, again on a good discount. So as I mentioned earlier also, that you will get these palettes on a very good discount. Just wait for that one moment. So yes, this is one of my favorite warm nude palettes, and again something well done by Nykaa. I feel it's been a long time no makeup revolution has happened on my channel. There was this time I used to buy every single palette by them, but this one palette had just stuck by me and I still use it, and I just love using this. This is one of those palettes I bought, I think when I started my YouTube journey. I think after 8 months of my YouTube journey, I invested on this palette, and that time putting money on an eyeshadow palette used to be a big deal for me, because I used to be very calculative. I used to save money and I used to buy things. So yes, this palette is close to my heart, but this palette performs absolutely wonderful, and something out of the box is the Makeup Revolution Neutrals versus Neutral palette. I remember getting this palette after watching comparison video between the Modern Renaissance and this one, and you see the color family in this. Now you may feel इसमें तो brown नहीं है तो warm कैसे हुआ? Sometimes you don't need a brown shade to make a palette warmer. Instead you need these kind of shades to make it warmer. See, when you see this first row of mattes, they are so well done. A lot of pigment is going on, but every shade has a warmer tone to it. When you put these shadows on the eyes, oh my god, you just get the best eye look. They are well done, well blended shadows. The shimmers you see, all the shimmers are well done. They are not like very shockingly done, or they are not too shimmery, too chunky, too loud on the eye. They just blend perfectly well with all the mattes you see here. So if you want to have a little playful warm nude palette which doesn't have your typical browns, a typical bronzy shade, but a little out of the box but still fall into a category of warm nude, then this is the palette to go for. I still use it and I feel I will never go out of this palette. Like, I will still have it, and if I have to repurchase it, I will go ahead and repurchase it. It is still available on Makeup Revolution, in Makeup Revolution family. If you see this palette, if you want to get it without any second thoughts, because this is definitely a well done palette by Makeup Revolution into warm nude category, or even if you want to call it as a berry tone, but this definitely falls into a warm nude category for me, and I absolutely love the formulation on this one. And it is being priced well. So we are moving so quickly in this video. Next up, I have one of my, again, most used and the palettes which you can just travel with. You can use it on your festive occasion, and the formula is to die for, is the NYX Professional Rustic Antique palette. This is how the palette would come. I remember getting this palette in the PR by the brand, and I just couldn't resist myself. The happiness was like here, and I absolutely loved using this palette. Oh my god, this palette has a lot of favorite shades of mine. The shimmers, the mattes are amazing, well done. This is one of my favorite shimmers to use. You see this gold, it's not like that shocking gold. It has a lot of warmth going on. The mattes are well done, and you can create so many different eye looks. You can create festive look, you can create your daily looks, and the shadows which you get, the shimmers, the mattes, all are well done. Mattes blend so easily on your eyes. Shimmers just complements the matte, and it's not a confusing palette. When you see a palette like this, and when all the shades look appealing to you, and you can just instantly create looks in your head, that means the palette is just going to work wonderful. Because sometimes when you see a palette, like, oh my god, will I be using that shade? And no, then what am I going to do with it? So, but this is not going to happen when you pick up this palette, because every single shade here is functional. And I think this palette, from so many palettes in this range, is being well done, and well done for Indian skin, because all the shades are going to show up on your eyes. So yes, again, an interesting warm nude palette by NYX Professional. Now I could have shown you a lot of different palettes from different brands I have, but I'm including palettes which are available in India and available on Nykaa, where you can just directly go and grab yours if you're interested in buying one. I don't want to complicate things here, so do not say, oh, you have that palette also, you have that palette also. Yes, you will see those palettes. You would have already seen those palettes on my channel, but these 5 are easily available, easily accessible, and you will save up a lot here, and the shadow quality is up notch, 10 on 10. Saying that, let's move on to another palette, but this is a little expensive palette, but I feel it is worth trying and worth getting for yourself. Is the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette. Now I feel more than those big, huge, humongous palette, try getting these smaller ones, because firstly, if you're a person like me who doesn't like to buy big palettes, then you're not going to use it. Because when you put so much of money in a big product, might as well use it. Why would you buy a product and keep it in your drawer? Sometimes that 50% discount can be a little lucrative offer, but just be a little calculative in your head. Will you be using that palette even if you get it in 50%? No, might as well get a palette which you are going to use it, which is from where you can get the most number of looks, or you will be at least traveling with, using more often. So yes, that is why, this is one reason I never bought Huda Beauty big palettes even when they had 50% or 60% off, because I don't see myself using them or gravitating towards. But this one, the Topaz Obsession, the Obsession range itself, I feel is well done by Huda, and you should definitely grab this one in particular because of the shades it offers. Again, more warmer shades, but a little more out of the box. Now you may feel the last palette I showed you, the NYX one and this one, are very similar. No, they are pretty different from each other, and the quality is also there. Now I feel these Obsession palettes, the quality of the shadows are really good. I've seen the big palettes in person when I went to the store, but I did feel that I can get the best out of this. I have the Emerald Obsession also in this. I absolutely love it. So yes, here you see a nice orange yellow, which is not that flashy yellow. It has a lot of warmth going on. Then you have these nice shimmers. I've used all the 4 shimmers they have, and the mattes. They are very complementing matte, and you have a nice, more of a cool tone matte in between, again, which is not completely cool tone, which will help you to balance your blending. So yes, this palette is a wholesome palette. If you want to invest in an expensive palette, then this can be the one. one. For that matter, Huda came out with more warm nude palettes, and I would say she launched the whole nude family, where she launched I think 3 to 4 palettes. Soon I will try to get one for myself whenever it is available in India. But for now, this is definitely worth trying into a warm nude family, because this palette is definitely offering you a lot. In India, on Nykaa, it is for 2400 as much as I remember. Try getting this palette in a combo where you pay 2400 but you get a free lipstick. So you end up getting a product extra with your eyeshadow palette. But this is definitely worth trying and worth experiencing, because yes, the pigmentation on mattes and shimmers are well done. And now we are down to the last palette, and one of my most used and one of my favorite warm nude palettes is the Kay Beauty Bare Soul palette. Now Kay Beauty has eyeshadow palettes as well. They have 4 palettes, but if I talk about the warm nude one, then it has to be the Bare Soul one. Being a new brand and a brand which is not very old and coming out with the first eyeshadow palette, they have done an amazing job on the formula. They blend seamlessly, they show up so well on the eyes, and well done for Indian skin. Yes, Kay Beauty has really thought well before making every single eyeshadow palette, I would say. And the pigmentation, oh my god, this palette, whenever I pick up, it just reminds me of my Colourpop palette or my Zoeva palette which I use. The pigmentation is so good. It's more of an international quality for a drugstore pricing, and they're not very expensive also. They're only for $12.99, and half of the time you have 20% off on Kay Beauty as well on Nykaa. So why not grab your warm nude palette from Kay Beauty, because all the shades which you see here, you would see that they're not very deep, very dark, but they are warm. And whatever shade you see here, you see one shade deeper on your eyes. So pigmentation is definitely there. You get only 2 shimmers here, but these 2 shimmers are enough, because sometimes I feel for warm nude looks you don't need too many shimmers. You just need some good mattes and just make your eyes pop, because your mattes, so the warm mattes, do a lot for your eyes. So yes, definitely worth trying, and this particular Bare Soul palette is one of my favorite and one of my most used. And being a startup brand, getting the black right is tricky, but they have done an amazing job on this black shade as well. All the shades are functional and all the shades perform. So if you want to get your hands on a high quality, inexpensive, good quality eyeshadow palette, then definitely get the Kay Beauty one, because oh my god, you're getting so much in one palette. So now you have 5 wonderful warm nude eyeshadow palettes. Pick one palette for yourself as per your liking and the shades which you feel you're going to be wearing the most, and you will get most out of that one eyeshadow palette. Everything will be linked in my description. All the palettes are easily available on Nykaa.com. I will be here soon with some more makeup, some more eyeshadows, some more skincare. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @BrandsandGeek. Till then, you take care, and I will see you in my next one.